Alright, so one of the last videos I did was an unboxing of my little EDC pouch Molly Tactical from ZEATO. So that's it right there. It's got a little pouch up front. I'm thinking that that would be a good spot to put one of my multi-tools. It's got a pouch with a little bit of a web pocket here, and then a pocket in the back where I've already stuck a little cash. So, alright, first things first, I use a charger often. So this is the Black Web 10,400 for the output, and because it stays in there, we'll put it in this way. I may put it in a bag at some point, and then right down next to it I will put a charging cord so that it's right there and available for me. So that's right in there like that. Alright, next pouch up. I'm kind of getting away. So, you know, this is what I'll carry on my side when I'm not at work, and when I don't mind getting looked at. In Texas, it's not a big deal. And this has served me well. It's for a camera case by Samsonite, and it's actually worked really well for me. And if you don't know what this is the Light My Fire by Mora, stainless steel with a 90-degree spine and a fire steel down on the handle, which I haven't used because it's a backup. And then I've put a fire steel on the side. So, what do I want to take out of this? I'll take out my little tin, set that to the side, and let's see. That should fit right there into that pouch real well. So that's right there. Front pouch should hold the Leatherman rebar that I like to carry right up front there like that. A little flashlight that I carry go in there. Lock that down. A pen on the side, and an extra battery for the light can find its way down into this pocket there. Zip those up, and that should be alright. Again, I wouldn't carry this around at my current job, but there isn't any reason why this wouldn't go well on one of those drop-down rigs for your belt. One of those Molly drop-down thigh bag holders platforms. So again, I think that this will replace, you know, I'll probably still keep one of these Light My Fire in my bag just to have a fixed bag, and then make a new Altoid tin for the other stuff, and I should have a decent set of tools. The only thing I could probably, that I didn't think about just now, that I will put in here to have it, is for my iPhone, iPad, and that'll go right in there like that. So there you have it, and it should just drop right into my bag. And I may or may not keep this pen. I may put the stainless steel tactical pen that I have that is actually a pretty heavy-duty little chunk of stainless steel that's pokey on one end, and has a pen in it as well. But for right now, I can keep that there. I like to have a felt tip pen on me. I prefer to use those. Or I could put a Sharpie in there as my as my work dictates. So there it is. And just to do it backwards, pen, backup battery, pen light, Leatherman rebarb, what knots it 10, cable for iPhone, iPad, charging cable for the Black Web charger, and some cash. So, and again, I may very well put that in a bag. Let's see if I got a bag handy. So to avoid any possible rain, because it rains here on the Gulf Coast, and when it does rain, it rains, and it means it's business. So there we go. Tuck it. Tuck it in. Some room for some crazy money. Charging cable. Alright. Close up that pouch. Again, the what's this here tin? Shut that down. I suppose there's room for more stuff, but I don't necessarily feel that I need to load myself down. Again, this isn't anything other than what I need for work, or what I want to have with me when I go to work. So that's that bag. Right on. There we go. Thanks, folks. Thanks for watching. Any questions, drop in the comment. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Oh, you know what? I wonder if I could fit some cordage down in here. You think? I could drop a little bit of paracord and a shackle. Paracord and a shackle. There was probably 20 feet of paracord and a good D shackle. Alright. There it is. Just drop that right into my bag, and then could always use that shackle on there to hang it from something else. And if I really wanted to geek out, put it on my belt, attach it to the drop down, drop thigh platform that I'm sure that some of you have. I don't. I may get one in the future. I don't need one right now. And should have all the little tools that I need for, along with my watch, for my purposes for what I do on a day-to-day basis. Alright, of course that's not my complete EDC. I do carry I carry my watch, I have a fixed blade, I carry a pistol, but that's this pouch. So, again, thanks for watching. No more postscripts. Like, subscribe, and share.